what we're going to be doing is using fabrics, reconsidering the fashion industry, reconsidering approaches to fashion environmentalism, but most importantly an opportunity for you to upskill, you to learn new stuff. We're going to make a patchwork denim arts activism banner.
It's very organic. We don't know what we're going to build out of these little patches that we've been making. Climate change, water, protecting the planet, each little patch is very small, so it's really achievable, you know, when people start sewing.
Got no other choice other than to be very, very still and mindful when you're doing something like this.
Yeah,
and that is an art form within itself. What was it? Cantha, Cantha. So I've got Cantha gyda gilydd, Shashiko, Patchwork Strong, Sarah Carrera, So Many Hands Give Power, Mystic Mending. Sarah Carrera, Sarah Carrera, Sarah Carrera, so many hands to give us power. Hey, Sarah Carrera, so many hands give us power. Oh, Sarah Carrera, Sarah Carrera.
Where people had to get scraps and stick them together and patchwork them together to create fabrics that became very reinforced and strong. And lots of people would get together and do this kind of work, so it became very meaningful, and the fabrics themselves have a particular character and almost a power to them because so many hands have worked on them over time and they get mended over time, so it builds this very authentic and beautiful fabric at the end of it.
Yo, Aber Valley. Swynwraig. I need a little time bach o cantha I wneud lot o gwaith gyda gilydd. Ti'n clywed y gair Shashiko, wneud in your patchwork strong. Cob Sarah Carrera, so many hands give power, so much magic in this mystic mending.
We can link to causes that are meaningful and that are bigger than ourselves and try and make a little difference in the world, then I think that's what's really nice about this project, because it does bring people together.
Yes, Rufus, this looks proper sick as well.
Yn Gymraeg. Ie, ni'n mynd I newid popeth sut ni yn gweld a dysgu a cysylltu gyda'r iaith Gymraeg. Where's the feminism in the Welsh language? That's what we want to know. Because it's getting a little bit too patriarchal for me.
It's getting too mealy.
So we're taking it back to lullabies for mothers.
Lullabies, let's go. Where's the head? That's what I'm going to say. Where's the head? Just Rufus.